Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to archive a conversation in Messenger and what's the difference between archiving and deleting. Open the Facebook Messenger. Archiving a conversation hides it from your inbox until the next time you chat with that person. Deleting a conversation permanently removes the message history from your inbox. To archive a chat, open Facebook Messenger. Tap on the chat which you want to archive. Here you will find archive. Look, it hides from the chat list. To unarchive this chat, tap on the three vertical lines and go to archive. Here you will find that person which you have archived. If you send him a message, it will unarchived automatically, or you can tap and hold for menu. From this menu, you can unarchive that very person. Tap on unarchive and this chat will be in your chat again. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can archive a conversation in Messenger. And that is the difference between archiving and deleting. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.